It's a great competition. Actually, almost all the experts in culinary, they are participating here. First time I am seeing such a wonderful displays, like international competition. It is like an international competition. Because since we are in this spice industry, these chefs, they are the ambassadors in promoting our ethnic food to the globe. Support these sort of exhibitions so that they can take our food, ethnic food, to the globe. And another thing, today this food, we are in India, we are planning to promote India as a food factory for the world. I am supporting this organization, and this will create lot of employment opportunity in India. Particularly throughout the globe, there is a huge need for these culinary people, chefs. And I'm telling you, our people are highly passionate. They are now only they are given this sort of opportunity to exhibit their talents in food and decorating of cakes, so many things. Definitely I'm telling you, this SICA, this will do a revolutionary job in the global arena. That is what I personally feel, and it's a great opportunity for me to sponsor this program. And in fact, I will say they have given me the opportunity actually. Definitely, all the participants, there are about 650 participants in this program. Everybody has exhibited their talents in food. I never expected this sort of exemplary work. My culinary people, but the chef and Tamil Nadu or South India, they have got so much talent. So proud of my this SICA. It's a wonderful program. I wish them all the best. Thank you.